In Trade Wars or Class Wars, Matthew C. Klein and Michael Pettis reframe global trade conflicts as symptoms of domestic class struggles driven by inequality and policy failures. They argue that persistent trade imbalances, such as U.S. deficits and Chinese/German surpluses, are not merely international disputes but manifestations of distorted economic systems where elites hoard wealth, suppress wages, and prioritize export-led growth over domestic demand. By concentrating income and savings among the wealthy, nations like the U.S. rely on foreign borrowing to sustain consumption, while surplus economies like China and Germany depend on external markets to absorb excess production. This imbalance creates global financial fragility, fuels protectionist backlash, e.g., tariffs, and echoes pre-World War II crises where similar dynamics led to economic collapse and war. The authors trace these patterns across history, from Weimar Germany's austerity-driven instability to modern China's state capitalism, demonstrating how unequal resource distribution within nations destabilizes international relations. They reject nationalist explanations for trade wars, instead linking geopolitical tensions to domestic policies that favor capital over labor. To resolve these conflicts, Klein and Pettis advocate systemic reforms, progressive taxation, wage growth, debt restructuring, and global coordination to rebalance savings and demand. Ultimately, they warn that unaddressed inequality and zero-sum trade policies threaten not just economic stability but global peace, urging a shift from austerity and financialization toward equitable, demand-driven growth. Core claim ***, trade wars are not battles between nations but the international spillover of domestic class hierarchies, a problem solvable only by addressing inequality and reorienting economic systems toward shared prosperity.